What's going on, guys? It's Norbco, your boy, back at it once again with another video today. We are doing a little TLC on the LR3. On some real shit though, we are gonna go ahead and get the oil changed. I noticed the front end of this thing is super wobbly. Like I'll be going down a road and then it doesn't feel tight, you know what I mean? And whenever I steer, it's very sharp. It's not. Let's just check out the alignment. Let's get the oil change. And this is actually the first time I have inspected it since I bought it. So I'm very curious what's all gonna be there. Enough of me talking. Let's go ahead. Let's get driving and let's get going. All right, so we just pulled up. Let's go ahead. Let's get this thing in there and check it out. All right, so we got the LR in the shop. Let's go ahead. Let's do the oil change. Let's take a look underneath and find all the goodies that we got. And then afterwards, I'm gonna crank on alignment real quick, or at the very least, check it out because I am suspecting there's some issues with alignment. It pulls, it feels real sharp on the turns. Let's go see. So this dude got the air ride delete kit in, so these struts look massive. The ones in the rear are ginormous. Other than that, I ain't seen really too much. I mean, everything looks intact, nothing broken. I did see this. I believe this is that brake pad wear indicator, and it's just tucked out of the way, and that's probably why I have that brake pad message. So we're gonna short this together, that way I can get rid of it for good. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I mean, the rust is normal for its age, but I don't see anything falling apart. Except the fuel tank shield, but who gives a shit? See it, guys, check that out. I mean, this strut is huge in the rear. Okay, let's do the oil change on it. I'm gonna see how this goes. There's only like 10 bolts holding the whole skid plate up. Looks like I got a leak here. I did see in his paper he had like a crankcase seal or something that he was quoted did not do. And yeah, I mean, just again, this is all so typical. So, all right, cool. Let's knock out that, and then let's get the juices flowing. Yeah, I might have missed a little. That's all right. We're pouring in the oil right now. Oil looks pretty good. Pop the filter off, put the new one on. We're gonna go ahead and use all my hoarder oil, I call it. I've had this thing for like over a year. I can put it to good use. All right, I'm about to go ahead, start it up. But I actually can see, y'all can see how bad that camber is. Compare that to the rear, it's not as aggressive. I'm super curious if that is supposed to be spec or not. We will find out on the machine here. So this screen we can disregard. This is an old one. Let's go ahead, let's do our thing. Let's find out. Yeah, that camber is way off. Like I pointed out earlier, guys. I mean, look at that. It's supposed to be -1 1/4 at most. This is way over. That's why we see that big old pushing in. This one's just a little bit off, nothing too crazy. General rule of thumb is we want to be less than ½ a degree difference. This is well over that. Caster definitely needs to be popped back in. That's gonna push me to the right. This is definitely gonna push me to the right. So that's probably why I'm having my issues. Toe, it's not really too far off. So let's go ahead, let's do our little and get it freaking going. So at first when I've seen it, I thought there was not an adjustment for it, but now looking at it, I think there is one at the top, but it's crusty. I'm hoping that right there is gonna be my camber adjustment. Because yeah, I looked at the toe length, it's not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. So let's try messing with that without snapping anything off. Hopefully it moves and we'll go from there. super seized. I'm gonna try it with the little torch I got, but if that's not gonna do it, I'll do it some other time. Oh, that's frustrating. It ended up being really seized. I tried using the heat, it didn't do anything. I said, you know what, I'm not even gonna try to snap off something right now. Really not in the mood for that. And besides, I had to actually run to the store for a different reason, so I ended up needing to go. But at least I know that the alignment pole, that's what's causing, is the alignment. I mean, that camber was so bad, you could definitely see that. I know the guy said he actually replaced a pair of tires because of issues. Not surprising. Whatever the case is, I'm going to suspect that whoever put in the delete kit probably didn't really align it afterward. Because yeah, that thing, I mean, is so off. So, nature of the game, what do? You know what I'm talking about? That being said, we're gonna go ahead and continue my day. Thanks for tagging along with this little Land Rover maintenance day. I will catch you guys in the next one. My plans for the next up, probably gonna have to do a full suspension kit. Never hurts to get front and rear done. We'll tackle that sometime. That way I can actually adjust stuff and fix up some of the little loose clicks I hear once in a while. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video. As always, have a good one. I thank you so much for watching. Deuces.